This is going to be a speed run of the program that I coded. We're running at currently 467 lines of code in about 6 hours. It seems to be running fairly stable with minimal to no bugs now, finally. So let's have a look at the menu. So let's find it. There it is. Sorry, dual screen setup is weird. So we have option 1, loot a new weapon, 5 coins. We currently have 5 coins to start. We can go straight to battle. It's advisable to view which weapon you have, so let's do that by pressing 3. A rare weapon, Bastard Sword of Fountain. That'll do. Better than a shitty normal weapon. We can view what skills our character was assigned when he was created. He got a random assortment of skills, which I'll be working on implementing a mana system. And we can go to battle. Now, going forward, each time someone does damage, there'll be a half-second delay, so it's not just, it doesn't just spit out all the data. But you can see that the demon at the end took 46.6 damage from Hammerby, whatever his name is, and had less than 0, a negative health balance. So Hammerby then defeated the demon in 12 turns, gained 2 experience points. This is random based on the monster's level that you've just killed, and it goes the same for the monsters. So if you're level 4 and the monster's level 1, it's gonna get a shit ton more experience from you. So we currently got 6 coins. We'll just keep going. And you can also see to the right that we have our total experience points, and this time we only gained 1. When we hit the requirement for level 1, we will level up, and same with the monsters when they hit level 1, the requirement, which at the moment is 10 XP. So I'll just keep going through quickly so this doesn't go for too long. Cinders has 4. He beat us again. So when you die, you don't get experience, but the monsters get experience whether you win or lose, and hopefully that speeds up how much they get. Alright, so now we got 10 experience points here. You can see, congratulations, you leveled up to level 2, and I'll format this better. Murderer has also grown stronger and is now level 2. That's because he had 10 experience too. They won't level up when you level up all the time. It's just, that's how this one worked. So we got 15 coins now. So each time you kill a monster, you get coins, a random amount. Let's have a look at our weapon again and keep that number in mind, 32 to 52. We're kind of hoping for a bit better because the monsters are getting stronger now, and if we get worse, we're pretty screwed. So 1, loot a new weapon. It'll take over my old weapon, and we got something that's a bit worse, nearly half the damage, and you kind of get stuck because we got 5 coins. So let's try to go back to battle, and hopefully we can get a couple wins in because these monsters are going to get stronger. And and we still got 5 coins. I don't know if we can actually kill these monsters in our current state. Cinders has defeated. Cinders has grown stronger again. As you can see, he already did a fuck ton of damage. Let's see if we fight another Cinders. Demon just got stronger too, so they're all getting stronger now. But we defeated the spider. The spider might be our only hope. Cinders did 673 damage. So obviously their scaling is a bit overpowered. Let's continue on. Hopefully we can kill a couple spiders to get some coins. Hammerby killed the spider, and the spider just grew stronger, and we have 7 coins. For the next time we don't kill a spider, I'll exit. Spider defeated. Alright, so we weren't lucky that time, so let's exit then. But yeah, so that's essentially what it does at the moment. Idea is to implement a lot more functionality behind the what unique prefixes do. So maybe the Reindeer series adds a defense buff, gives you a chance to block with a water shield, like maybe 10% chance to block attack, reduce it to 0. If you get the Earth Linders, I don't know, maybe it does something, damage over time, or makes them weaker to a certain weapon, I don't know, etc. But essentially everything will have an effect that it does. Every little prefix will give its own little bit of damage, its own little bit of effect. Kind of like Borderlands. But yeah, not too bad for 6 hours of coding. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you both later.